So I'm out here bringing scratch feed to the chickens and ducks. This is kind of heavy. That's why I'm out of breath, I guess. So my dad's actually gonna try to give away some of the ducks or sell them, maybe on Craigslist, because they had so many ducklings this year. He doesn't want that many. They have the nicest chicken coop though, and duck coop. Stay back. You don't need to be in here. You big baby. So here's their food. You better not try to get me, or I'll get you back, you little brat. So anyways, I'm gonna pour this feed in. So get outdoors and go wild.